Hi guys, it's Rachel here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn a boring blank wall into a beautiful, inspirational collage. Step 1. Choose your playlist or a podcast. I was listening to #authentic. Step 2. Gather your inspirational material. I found mine from a variety of sources. I ripped out some pages from my favourite magazines, and some of them even come with posters on card. I gathered some postcards and mini art prints. Some of them I bought, some were sent to me, and others I picked up for free at art galleries and in magazines. You could even use business cards from some of your favourite artists, as these are like mini pieces of art. Another idea would be to use these mini quotes from some tea bags, or even actual posters. You might find inspiring posters inside your favourite CDs. Or even use your own artwork. Another idea would be to use some fabric, which you could tie-dye or embroider. Step 3. Choose your sticking method. You could use white tack or blue tack, or some masking tape or washi tape. Or if you don't want to damage the wall too much, use a notice board and some pins. Step 4. Choose your blank canvas and make sure that you're allowed to stick things to the wall. Step 5. Grab your chosen method of sticking and start arranging everything on the wall. I started at the bottom of the wall and worked my way up. Remember that you can move things around before you stick them down in the final arrangement. Try to vary the sizes of the things that you're sticking up to make it look more interesting. You might decide to combine some things in one area or group them by a theme. You could even colour coordinate it. Whatever you find most inspiring. I think this could be an especially great thing to do at the start of the year, and if you've done something like this before, maybe take it all down and make a new one for the new year. Here is the final result. What was once a boring blank wall is now filled with inspiration. It's right by my desk, so whenever I look up at the wall, I can be filled up with new ideas and a fresh perspective. I'll do my best to link all of the artists and image sources down below in the description box, where you'll also find the links to my online portfolio and social media profiles, where you can follow my 365-day art challenge, which I started in November 2017. I've already got loads of new video ideas for the next few weeks, including a follow-up to this video about creating an artist family tree where you link together all of your inspirations to find new inspiration. I got the idea for this from Austin Kleon's book, Steal Like an Artist. As always, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below if you try out this idea, or if you've already got your own inspirational wall. I'd love to hear about it. I hope you're having a wonderful day or evening wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time.